come. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying our series of Rishikesh videos. If you are, then do like our videos, do share it with your relatives and friends as well. And if you haven't watched our first and our second video or our first and second day video, go and watch those videos. Do share some of your comments below the videos and share it with as many people as you can. So going ahead with our day 3, we did 2 activities on day 3. First one was like the first half was specifically kept for river rafting. So river rafting kiya, I was very excited for river rafting. That was something I really wanted to explore from my end. और मैंने, मेरे मॉम डैड ने और तेजस ने, हम चारों ने मिलकर रिवर राफ्टिंग किया था. वी वर द ओनली 4 like in that particular raft. So we were given the paddles and everything. And हम लोगों ने रिवर राफ्टिंग कितने में किया, तो when you go on season it is around 600 to 800, but we did our river rafting at rupees 270 per person. In season that amount goes up to 800 or 1000 depending on the rush they have. And because it was like off season or odd season for them because of the examination time period going on, so they provided us a discount and we like could do our river rafting in rupees 270 only, excluding the government tax, like rupees 20 they charge for Ganga cleanliness purpose and all. So that rupees 20 is extra. So if you include that in that particular amount, it would be rupees 290 per person, which is very very cheap for a 12-kilometer river rafting. So we did 12-kilometer river rafting and it was super fun. We enjoyed a lot. It was not at all dangerous. So all those who are like afraid like me, because I had butterflies in my tummy, I was like kaisa hoga, kaise karenge, if I like fall in the water, what will happen. बिल्कुल भी डरिएगा मत, because it is like very simple. 12 kilometer is just basic. You can go to 16 kilometers. I think that would be fun, I believe, but 12 kilometers वाला एकदम basic था, because we went with our mom dad and they also had super fun. They enjoyed the process of rafting a lot. I also took a dip in Ganga, and these charges were excluding the GoPro charges. वो जो 600-800 है वो भी एक्सक्लूडिंग GoPro चार्जेस होते हैं. अगर आप GoPro के वीडियोस देते हो तो इट इज़ अराउंड 300 पर पर्सन. सो ओवरऑल मिला के हमको 600 पर पर्सन हुआ था. बेटर टू टेक GoPro वीडियोस, डोंट टेक योर मोबाइल फोन्स. हम लोगों ने हमारे मोबाइल फ़ोन होटल के लॉकर में रख दिए थे एंड वी टुक ओनली 1 बेसिक मोबाइल फ़ोन विथ अस जस्ट टू कोऑर्डिनेट विद द ड्राइवर. That is it. We like did not take any of the essentials. हमने एकदम बेसिक वाले स्लीपर्स पहन के रखे थे, जो मतलब पानी में चले भी गए, बह भी गए तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. तो ऐसा सब थोड़ा सा प्रिकॉशन लेके जाना वहाँ पे. अगर कहीं पे राफ्ट उल्टी हो गई, जो नहीं होता है 12 किलोमीटर्स में, अगर आप 30 किलोमीटर्स या ऐसा कुछ करते हो तो येस ऑफ कोर्स ऑल दोज डेंजर्स विल कम. बट यहाँ पे रैपिड्स भी काफ़ी फ्रेंडली रैपिड्स होते हैं, तो मज़ा आया ऐसे रैपिड्स होता है. इट इज़ फन काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर. So yeah, river rafting was super fun. After which we headed to like in the second half we headed to Haridwar. Yeah, we went to Har Ki Pauri Aarti, but didn't shoot any damn thing from there. Before that we went to a very interesting place in Haridwar. And I'm sure ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह हरिद्वार में भी होंगी जो शायद हमने एक्सप्लोर नहीं करी है. And we never wanted to explore them, to be very frank. So हरिद्वार में we went to चंडी देवी टेम्पल, जिसका रोप वे बंद हो गया था जब हम गए थे, तो हम वहाँ पे भी नहीं गए. हम लोग हरिद्वार में चंडी घाट जाके आए थे. तो चंडी घाट was like specifically made on the days when अपना वो कौन सा कुंभ का मेला हुआ था ना, तो कुंभ का मेला के वक्त वो चंडी घाट को उन्होंने आई थिंक बनाया था. वेरी वेल मेड, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, सच ब्यूटिफुल वाइब्स एंड उतने ही डर्टी टॉयलेट्स. मतलब इफ यू गो टू द टॉयलेट्स दे आर लाइक एब्सोल्युटली pathetic. So these were the only 2 places we covered on the day 3. I'm taking day by day because I just don't want to accumulate 3-4 days together and finish it off. It is fun to like see short videos. So along with me, let us go through the second day.
So again on day 3 we had spent some very quality time in the morning after breakfast, sitting under the sun in the outer section of the restaurant. It is so beautiful and the view is amazing. We were just chit-chatting and talking, and we are all set for river rafting.
હમણાં ફ્લો બી ઓછો હોય, ગરમીમાં બરફ પીગળે ને ઠંડુ બી હોય ને ફ્લો એ વધારે હોય. અત્યારે ગરમી જ વાત, ઠંડક નથી અત્યારે. પાણી ઓલી ચૂસતી હતી અંદર, તો એ તો પાણી ઠંડુ હોય. अंदर आई जाओ, गाड़ियों बहुत
तेजस पप्पा मम्मा तेजस
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? मजा आ रहा है? अभी ले लो मुझे। काफी बचा हुआ है। इसका नाम है डबल ट्रेवल, रैपिड का नाम है। पत्थर में कौन नहीं गिरे। चलिए फॉरवर्ड। चलिए फॉरवर्ड फॉरवर्ड टीम। चलिए फॉरवर्ड फॉरवर्ड। ओके स्टॉप। तो बोलो सब लोग हर 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 हर। बोलो गंगा मैया की नहीं, दोनों पैर देखो सुलटे में नहीं डालो ना, सीधे में डालो।
ऐसे नहीं
अंदर खुद को मार।
जाओ
जाओ जाओ जाओ जाओ जंप जंप। ओके लुक किया, कैसा लग रहा है? मजा आ रहा है? ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल,
बहुत ठंडा ठंडा कूल कूल है।
मैं तो बहुत फटू पानी के अलावा सब कुछ मैं कर लूंगा, एक बार पानी नहीं। हम दोनों योगा वाले। हाँ पप्पा मंदिर जवा जेवू છે। हाँ 13 मंदिर त्र्यंबकेश्वर। हाँ ऊपर से आपको
तेजी मम्मा
दिन में पानी आप हो गया ना। हाँ पानी नीचे भी जाने लगा। अच्छा ओके ओके। हाँ तो पत्थर था। हाँ पत्थर था। हाँ अभी आ गया बस सही है। वहाँ पे पता सही बात है आपका। મને એકલે જ છે ને પાણીનો ભરોસો જ નહીં, કઈ કહેવાય નહીં ક્યારે શું થઈ જાય।
We were all set to go to Haridwar, and then, as I mentioned, we went to this place known as Chandi Ghat. It is very nearby to Chandi Devi temple. It is not in our itinerary, but when I saw this ghat, it was completely vacant and so beautiful. So we decided to go to this ghat and visit and sit there for some time before we go for Har Ki Pauri Aarti. Stood here, took a lot of pictures, took a lot of videos, enjoyed the vibes over here. While we were sitting here, we just enjoyed the sunset and did a lot of chitter chatter, and then we headed to Har Ki Pauri's Aarti. Then we went to our Adda Rajasthani Bhojanalay, last dinner at Rajasthani Bhojanalay before we leave Rishikesh. Mama, mummy, मोड़ू बताओ मम्मी। तेजस
I I hope you enjoyed watching our video, and if you did, you know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to like our video, subscribe our channel and share to as many people as possible. And thank you so much for watching.